Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for real reviews and in-depth looks into the products that make a difference. Today, we're diving into the best perfume sample set women's fragrance variety, the So Unique Body Mist Set. If you're looking for everyday scents that are portable, playful, and perfect for gifting, stay with us for the next 5 minutes as we explore why this travel size set is making waves in personal care. The So Unique Body Mist Set comes with 4 carefully crafted fragrances: vanilla candy, sweet pea, truffle cream, and cashmere. Each bottle holds 50 milliliters, making them the ideal companion for on-the-go freshness. They're compact enough to fit into your bag, yet deliver a surprising 650 to 1,000 sprays per bottle. That means you're not just getting variety, you're getting value that lasts. What makes this set stand out is its versatility. Each fragrance is designed to match your mood and setting. Vanilla candy brings a warm, sweet hug with notes of vanilla and musk. Sweet pea offers a light floral freshness that's youthful and breezy. Truffle cream leans into a creamy, luxurious feel with an indulgent depth, while cashmere is smooth and comforting, with a gentle balance of sandalwood and soft musk. These aren't overpowering, but they definitely leave a lasting impression for up to 6 hours. Each mist features a multi-layered fragrance profile. You get the top notes of bergamot and raspberry, bright and fruity. These flow into middle notes of white floral and candy floss, giving a feminine and playful edge. The dry down settles into base notes of vanilla, musk, and sandalwood, creating a comforting and cozy finish. And here's a bonus that makes the So brand even more appealing: the entire set is vegan and cruelty-free. The raw materials are derived from vegetable and mineral sources, not animals, so you can feel good about what you're wearing. It's a clean choice for conscious consumers. It's affordable, beautifully packaged, and offers a variety of scents that cater to different personalities. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, or just a self-care treat, this body mist set is perfect for anyone who loves a scent wardrobe without the luxury price tag. It's about confidence, creativity, and feeling fresh no matter where life takes you. With its strong scent performance, ethical ingredients, and travel-friendly size, this truly is the best perfume sample set women's fragrance variety on the market today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update on the best products worth your time and money. See you in the next one.